Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain pump in a Frigidaire washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a number 2 square bit screwdriver, a Phillips and a flatblade screwdrivers, a 5/16" socket wrench, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain pump. The drain pump drains the water out of the tub during the wash and the spin cycles whenever it's energized by the main control board. If dirty water is sitting inside the washer at the end of the cycle, the drain pump should be checked and replaced if needed. Before replacing the pump, I would recommend for you to check if the tub filter located inside the tub to pump hose is not clogged. We need to take the top off. Using the number 2 square bit screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws at the back of the top panel, pull the panel back slightly, and lift it off the washer. Pull the dispenser drawer out, press the tab down, and remove the drawer completely. Using the number 2 square bit screwdriver, take out 2 screws on the sides of the dispenser and the 3rd screw on the left side. With the same screwdriver, take out the 2 screws that hold the control panel on the top, one in each corner. Leave the panel off. Disconnect the wire plug at the control panel and take it away. Disconnect the large white wire plug on the top right. Open the door. Using the flat blade screwdriver, pry the outer boot clamp starting at the bottom where the spring is. Remove the door boot seal off the lip and tuck it inside. Close the door. Tilt the washer back and place the support under the front. Using the number 2 square bit screwdriver, take 4 bottom mounting screws out. Remove the wooden block and put the washer down. Another 3 number 2 square bit screws removed at the top of the front panel, and then you can lift the panel off and away. Place a towel on the floor. Using the pliers, slide the hose clamp and remove the top to pump hose from the drain pump. Then repeat that procedure and take the drain hose off the pump. Let's put the drain hose out of the way. And now, using the 5/16" socket wrench, we're gonna remove that mounting screw. Now we can lift the pump off. It's held by 2 tabs here, as you can see. So now we're gonna disconnect the wire plug, push the tab, and pull the plug off. Alright, this is your old pump. This is the old drain pump next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. Connect the drain pump wire plug. Mount the drain pump on a rear clip push down and secure it with a screw using the 5/16" socket wrench. Install the drain pump hose and using the pliers, secure it with a clamp. When putting the top to pump hose on, we need to match this slot on the hose with the tab on the pump. And then using the pliers, we'll slide the clamp down the hose. Bring the front panel and install it on the side posts. And secure it at the top with the 3 number 2 square bit screws. Lift the front of the washer onto the support. Secure the bottom of the front panel with the 4 number 2 square bit screws and then remove the wooden block. Open the door, pull out the door boot seal, and then we're going to install it on the outer lip. To install the front clamp, put it into the groove with the spring at 6 o'clock. Then grab the loop with the pliers, pull on the spring, stretch it, and install the clamp into the groove. Make a visual check, make sure it's inside, and also that the boot is all the way on, and you can pull on it. Alright, now we can close the door. Connect the white wire plug at the top right. Bring the control panel, connect the plug, and install the panel. The top edge goes first. Then we're going to push in the bottom edge. Alright, now we're going to put screws in. Secure the control panel with the 2 number 2 square bit screws, 1 on each corner on the top of the panel. The dispenser screws are different from the rest of the screws. The one which goes in the corner is the common screw. Install the 2 number 2 square bit dispenser screws on the side of the dispenser. Slide the dispenser drawer in, press the locking tab, and push it in all the way. Then install the top panel. Place it on less than ½ inch from the front panel and slide it forward to lock. Secure it with a couple of number 2 square bit screws. Turn on the water, plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.